Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix no sound plays after the connection of the headphones with your phone. Of course, I mean SOUNDCORE Aerofit Pro. The thing you have to remember is that these headphones are the earbuds, and sometimes it may happen, so don't worry about that. So at first open the case lid, and what I do recommend doing now is to just take them out and clean the area of the pins and the pads for the pins on the headphones. These golden things, of course, I mean golden colored things, here and here. These are the charging pins, charging cables, and yeah, here and here. Everything should be fixed now, but if it still isn't, restart your phone and turn it off and on, and hold this button over here for at least 10 seconds to have your phone fixed. First reset it, then everything should be fine. If it still isn't, you have to contact device support because your headphones may be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.